Radicchio is not just for salad, and it is the perfect ingredient to add to your grill this summer. So let's get started. I'm going to start by making a super creamy and delicious dressing to go with our roasted radicchio. In a small bowl, I'm going to add our Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a couple cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of dry tarragon, and a couple tablespoons of white wine vinegar. And for the seasoning, I'll add a teaspoon of granulated sugar and some salt and pepper. Now we're going to give it a good whisk until it comes together. Now I'm going to cover it and place it in the fridge while we prepare the radicchio for all the flavors of this creamy sauce to come together. When preparing radicchio, you want to make sure to cut into it right before you're grilling it because it's going to start turning brown and oxidizing as soon as you cut into it. I'm going to use this grill pan, but you can also use the barbecue, and we want some really nice heat on it, so I'm going to set it to medium-high. And before we cut into our radicchio, you also want to make sure that you have a small container with olive oil to brush it with. So to prepare it, we're going to want to keep the core that's going to keep all those layers together and just cut it in half to start. And when you cut it in half, you'll see there might be some looser leaves on the outside. Just go ahead and remove them. Depending on the size of the radicchio, you're probably going to cut each half in about 4 wedges. Now that you've got your wedges, we're going to take our brush and brush each side with some olive oil. And then right into our hot pan they go. Now be careful once they're on the grill. You only want to cook them for a couple minutes per side. You don't want them to wilt. You really just want to get a good char on each side. After a couple minutes, you can gently turn them over. And you get some beautiful char marks. And just like that, they're ready, and we can transfer them onto a plate. I'm just going to spread this beautiful and creamy tarragon dressing and then place the wedges of radicchio on top. And for some extra flavor, I love to sprinkle them with some freshly grated Parmesan and some toasted nuts of your choice. Here I have some hazelnuts, or you could use some almonds or walnuts. Thanks for watching. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.